What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Wes, back at you another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove backgrounds from your images using SocialBook IO. With that being said, let's get it cracking. So now, I know some of you guys and girls at home have issues with probably looking for people to remove your backgrounds. Might even have issues trying to remove backgrounds yourself, like probably using maybe Photoshop or other editing software, because I guess your hands ain't stable, or you can't even, or you have issues using the tools to trim around the images that you want to take from the separate from the background. Well, SocialBook IO makes it very simple for you guys. You log into your SocialBook. Remember, go to SocialBook IO. Register, sign up for it if you haven't already. But if you have, all you got to do is go to SocialBook, log into your account, scroll down to where it says Background Remover. You click it, this page will come up. It says Best Free Background Remover Online Tool. Remove background SocialBook. Then what you do is you go down, you have two ways you could upload images. Either using a URL or uploading something from your computer. Mind you, remember, the image cannot be no more than 5 megabytes. If it is, then it won't allow you to upload it. So try to condense it, do what you can before you try and using these tools, or the tools won't be able to work for you. So I'm going to upload an image from my computer. So all you gotta do is click upload image. I'm gonna look for something on my computer. Boom. I know, Scottie Pippen, right? So anyway, we're gonna use my boy Scottie Pippen. Shout out to Scottie, one of the all-time greats. We're gonna use you today for this video. So you download your image, or rather upload your image. Then you could use different borders if you want, but for this video purpose, I'm just gonna keep it default. You can even change the you can do a bunch of things. You can do a few things with the border. But anyway, for this video, I'm just going to keep it as default. You put in a code. Also, if you have issues looking at seeing what the code is, you could refresh the code by pressing this button right here. That's it. Refresh it until it's something that you recognize. You're able to look at and type it out. So refresh, put in a code, upload. Wait for it to upload. Now it'll take like a minute or two. Easy as that. Background removed. My boy Scotty's by himself, all alone now. He's more alone in this background than he's ever was. Because he had a background, but now he doesn't have anything. He's isolated from just time and space. But anyway, you go to edit. Now this is for if you want to edit it through SocialBook and do some more crazy stuff. You can sometimes, this image is kind of clean, but sometimes if your image you see like a little stubble, like let's just say, for example, let's zoom in on Scottie Pippen's eyes, right? Like let's just say, for example, you want to get rid of this hair that's protruding from the glasses. You can erase that. You can also set how big you want the eraser to be. So you just go here where it says brush size. You see how big the brush is? And you just erase it. You can erase it. Now, if you are erasing something that you don't want, and you accidentally over erase, and you want to restore or undo, all you have to do is click the little undo button on the top right hand side, or rather in the middle of where Scotty's at, on the right hand side of where Scotty's at, where it says undo, and you click it, and then your mistake should be undone. All you got to do. And on top of that, let's just say when you do background remover and there's some things that that the background remover took out, like it erased by accident, and you want to restore it. All you have to do is click restore. Click the restore is on you see where it says erase and restore? Just make sure the restore tab is highlighted black. And then now what you could do is your brush, instead of it being used to erase, is being used to restore anything that's taken away. You see how some of the background, I can restore the background, and you can make it even big if you want to restore some of the background, if you want some of the stuff from the background back. Simple. But for this video, I don't want the background, I want to get rid of it. So you get rid of it and just keep it, put it back to restore. Now you can do even more with this. So that's how, oh shoot, hold on. So that's how the image looks. So this is how your image looks with the background removed. Now on the left hand side, you'll see a whole bunch of tools you can use. See, not only this tool allows you to remove the background, but you can make a whole thumbnail out of this. You can use, they have templates. You can use, see, you can push them around. You can even mess with it. You can even mess with this. You can click on it. You get rid of it. You can do a little adjustments to it. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. So this is cool. I like this right here. See, you can get rid of all of this stuff. So yeah, you have Scotty's here. You could upload other photos if you want to add to the background with Scotty. So say, for example, you already have an image of yourself removed from the whole thing, like an image of yourself with the background removed as well. You can put yourself right next to Scotty and then add a background that's already made that you have. Or if you don't have a background, this tool has different backgrounds. You could put Scotty by the water. I mean, in the water. You could do this. You can do a bunch of stuff. You can upload, or let's just say you want images, like little kind of like elements and things of that nature, like maybe emoji face, and you can't find it online. You just want to do everything all in one place and not have to keep searching and going different places. SocialBook has that, has different things you can use, little different like badges and little emotes and images you can use. You can put inside your image. Simple, see? Very simple. You can even add text. They have different styles of text you can choose from. Charts, media kits, and then like I said, you can upload images, photos, videos, templates, and a whole bunch of other stuff. You could do that. So now when you're done, and let's just say you just want your image, you just want the background removed from your image, and you want to take it to somewhere else, and that's all you wanted to do, you simply just push download, and it's going to download it to your computer. Or you can save it for later, and it'll be stored. So those are the options and tools you can use in SocialBook when you're trying to remove a background. Remember, this is a free service. Everything's at the palm of your hands. You don't have to rely on anybody. You don't have to pay anybody. To me, it's a win-win situation. So if you haven't already, sign up for SocialBook.io. If you already on SocialBook.io, then I would highly suggest you mess around with this tool. Maybe it might help you out in your content creation. I hope these tips and this demonstration helped you guys and girls out. This is your boy Wes. I'm out of here. Peace.